Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to show you how I create this render. So actually as you can see here, this is the render and this is the render after editing or after apply the preset. And I'd like to show you exactly the scene and how I create this render and what is exactly the elements that I use to create this render. And so before that, I'd like to say thank you for everyone who support me. I'd like to say thank you for the 108 people who support me and get my presets, and also for the other 62 people who support me and enjoy my portrait light. Actually, this is the two products that I use to create all my renders. You can see some examples of here in my coffee gallery. There's some examples that I use just the light and the preset to create it. So, and I like to, guys, I like you to be honest with me and tell me what you think about my presets if you already get it. And if you don't get it, it's like the first time watching my videos. I like to show you and present for you these presets and the light. This is the most important is the light, then the presets. So seeing here, we have, okay, so actually we have nothing, like just, okay, so we have here this chair, make it like that. Okay, so what we have here, we have, so a point light, a character, and the props, this like the office chair. Okay, so let's see here, this is our character, this is how the portrait looks like. Okay, so actually here I just use just a point light with no modifications. Just make it here in the top, and I use my light. I call it AirDota light. I talk about that so many times in previous videos. So I use my light, then I apply the preset. It's actually this preset. It's like the same render. So many people ask me how to use the preset. So when you download my presets, you get exactly this renders. Okay. So what you need to do here is just open one of these renders. It's like DNG files with Lightroom. For example, this DNG file. So then click develop. Then if you like to see how the render looks like without the preset, just click here. You can see it. Then you click like that to come back. Then if you like to apply this preset in one of your renders, just need to click copy. Actually copy all the settings of this preset, copy, then paste in another render. For example, let's see, for example, this render, just click paste. Oh, this is like so many details here. So you can come back here and change the options. So many red color here. So you can change to get the good result. Okay. So we come back to Daz Studio now. So actually, I don't use anything. Just I use my portrait light. I show you how. So I delete here the environment option. This is my render, how it looks like without the AirDota light. Just apply. Then apply. You can see here, this is really important. How the light make your model or your render look more realistic. I use the 19 degrees, it's like that. You can use other degrees to make some shadows like that, okay? Then I just click render and I apply the preset as I show you. This is not complicated. And I create this method for beginners. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you guys tell me in the comment what you think about this presets and this light. If you already get it, really it's not important for me if you use bad comments or good comments. It's not important because I like to give me the real feedback, like something real. What do you think about that? Okay, so actually this is the scene as you see is just the character, the chair, the point light. And you can ask me why the point light. I show you why. So I delete the point light like that. You can see the difference. The point light gives some shadow in the scene. Okay, so I come back here. You can see the difference. Let's do it again. The point light's important. It's really easy. It's really easy. Just so create a point light, then apply the portrait light, airdota light, and the preset. You have 20 presets. So actually, in my shop, we have the presets, we have the light, and we have here that's free content like backdrop if you like to use it like a backdrop. Okay. So finally, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you again for your support. So enjoy creating a happy rendering and see you in the next video. Ciao.